Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from ARTY KRAFTY. Today we will discuss two paintings from Pahari school. The first one is Krishna with Gopis and the second one is Nand Yashoda and Krishna with Kinsmen going to Vrindavan. So let's start. We have already discussed the Pahari school along with its origin and development, its main characteristic features and sub-schools. Today I will cover two paintings of Pahari school. First, Krishna with Gopis of Basoli sub-school, and the second is Nand Yashoda and Krishna with Kinsmen going to Vrindavan of Kangra sub-school. Pahari painting, style of miniature painting and book illustration that developed in the independent states of the Himalayan foothills in India. The style is made up of two markedly contrasting schools, the bold, intense Basoli and the delicate and lyrical Kangra. Pahari painting, sometimes referred to as hill painting. Pahar means hill in Hindi, is closely related in conception and feeling to Rajasthani painting and shares with the Rajput art of the North Indian plains a preference for depicting legends of the cowherd god Krishna. The first painting is Krishna with Gopis. It comes under the sub-school Basoli. The artist is Manaku. Medium and technique, watercolor in tempera technique on handmade paper. It is done in 1730 AD. Theme or subject matter based on Jayadeva's Geet Govinda. Description: Krishna surrounded by gopis singing and dancing on the bank of river Yamuna. Krishna is wearing a bright yellow dress with his upper body naked but ornamented. He is wearing a crown well decorated with pearls, peacock feather and two buds of flowers. There is a pearl necklace round the neck of the half-naked, blue-skinned Krishna. Gopis are wearing well-decorated, multicolored, transparent dresses. They are also wearing a pearl necklace round their neck. The faces of all of them are similar with bulging big eyes, bow-shaped eyebrows, round foreheads and long charming noses. On the right side of Krishna, there is standing Radha with folding hands and her female attendant is holding an umbrella in one of her hands. In the background of the painting, there are several multicolored trees. The ground is colored with bright scarlet. At the lower part of the painting, a narrow strip of water is shown indicating Yamuna river. There is no use of perspective. This is the painting Krishna with Gopis of Basoli sub-school. This is the enlarged form of the painting. The second painting is Nand Yashoda and Krishna with Kinsmen going to Vrindavan. It comes under sub-school Kangra. The artist is Nayansukh, medium and technique, watercolor in tempera technique on handmade paper. It is done between 1785 to 90 AD. Theme or subject matter. It is an episode of Bhagavad Puran. Description: a group of people with their cattle and other belongings is going to Vrindavan. Nand is seated on a bullock cart with a dome-shaped canopy drawn by two bulls and driven by a cowherd. On the right side, a cart is carrying baby Krishna along with Balaram, Yashoda and Rohini. Men and women are carrying their belongings in baskets and guttery, either on their head or shoulder. A few ladies are carrying jars, spinning wheels, etc. The trees at the background have intricate details of leaves and trunks. Two birds are sitting on one of the rocks composed at the background. Most of the faces are in ek chashma, that is, in profile, or in other words, side face. The arrow shows intricate details of trunks and trees. At number 1, there is Nand. At 2, Krishna and Balaram. And at 3, there are Yashoda and Rohini. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if there is any doubt or query, please write a note at the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye.